Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. We got ourselves a 2022 F-350 Limited. Customer wanted to get rid of some of the chrome and really make the gray color match throughout the theme of the truck. So what we did, we popped the grill out, got ourselves some more gray in here. We color matched the front and rear bumpers. We got ourselves an Alpha Series Kelderman bumper here with the 16.5 Warren winch. Got synthetic rope on it. We did the screens in the bumper. We did matte black, and then the main hook on the winch, as well as the monster hooks, we did the illusion purple, so it matched the suspension. And then for lights here, we got the rigid midnight series in each wing. Coming around to the side, you can see the headlights. We sent those off to Eco Tint, got rid of the chrome, substituted that with the gray, and same thing with the cap on the mirror. Got rid of the chrome, added more gray. For the suspension, we went with a 6 to 8 inch kit. We did some chrome backing plates in here. We've got the Kelderman shocks, and as you can see, we've got this illusion purple powder coat that just makes this thing really stand off, and it's a perfect complement to all the gray that we've got on the truck. For tires, we went with 38 inch open country Toyos, and then we did some 22 inch American Force wheels. So coming around to the rear on the 6 to 8 inch kit, it's pretty slick because we mount the reservoir of the shocks right on top of the airbag. And you know, we have these shocks made up in Minnesota. All the parts are made in the USA. The shock valving Raptor shocks came down here, hooked up gauges and sensors to this thing so they could really see what the spring rates on the airbags were. So we were able to take this from a good riding truck with the air ride to a fantastic riding truck that just blows people away when they get in and go for a ride. So coming around to the rear, we've got our Alpha Series rear bumper, obviously color matched like the front, and these purple monster hooks. It's a great complementary color. You know, this gray is kind of a high-end looking color, like a luxurious, car, and then you throw this purple in, it just makes this vehicle really look real high-end, and that's what we're trying to do here at Kelderman Trucks. Now, the little subtle thing we do, we throw a tin on the rear taillights, takes away that bright red, just kind of blends in. Your eye doesn't just immediately get attracted to that bright red taillight. So where the spare tire originally went is where we put the air management system. We use an Airlift 3H ECU. We throw in a couple Vi-Air compressors, and we have our own dryer, which is extremely important in air suspension, especially if you're running anywhere north of I-40 where it's going to freeze a lot. So the other cool thing is we've incorporated is majority of trucks we do are going to have the horn blaster kit on it. So we made our own little bracket that fits right around the air management system, and this is a cool bracket, and you can see it really clearly because of the purple. So also while you're down here, you can see the Midnight Series rigids we have. So this truck's got the upfitter switches, so we'll hook up, the front wings in like 1 and 2, and then, what we'll do on setting 6, the one that's the farthest away from you, we'll tie that in for your backup lights. So when you're hooking up a trailer or something at night, backing up at night, especially with tinted windows, you can see so well. And you get anybody that's kind of tailgating on your ass, you can pop it a few times, that'll get them to back off.